Hi guys, here at Hamden Park Station of crossing E.Sussex Kent Road Zone. What a weird alarm. Timer. Thank you. Right. Now, the time is 11:52 on Saturday the 15th of April 2017. This is for 11:53, 1 Golf 22 Southern Service from Ashford International to Brighton.
No, not really. No.
That's special.
11:56 or 11:57. One goal.
They'll be on the other side. We'll get it on the other side.
Made way to 14416 Southern Service to London Victoria, from London Victoria to All and Eastbourne. I believe that's where the London Victorians go.
Douglas Bridge, channel arts these barriers. Oh, actually. Oh, first we've got Brighton Ashford. This is early. We got 170, 729 back.
171, 729 back.
This service is early. We won't break, we may double stay. We're double staying.
Oh, and we're staying.
That service is
171, 729 to Ashford.
729 is actually 2 minutes early.
To Ashford.
He's actually 2 minutes early. Oh, this one's in number. Don't shout this out.
1726.
I said don't shout this out. What's that all about then? Barriers may move at any time without warning. Then what are they for?
For your 11:54, 1 golf 22, so-and-so from Ashford to
Yeah, that one was 1 golf.
There's another bus down there. There's a bus up there. That was twisted.
What was that one for?
That barrier.
What's the 172 Ashford?
11:57.
1 golf. I'll put it in the description. I'll put all my services in the description. Harvey Matthews 171 726.
Harvey Matthews.
One 726
726.
to Brighton via Lewis and up they go.
To Brighton and up they go.
That's it.